your both the legs down, sliding your right leg in, your left leg in, crossing both your knee legs between your shin bone. Now try to take out the flush of your buttocks, rolling your shoulders back, move your palms by the side of your buttocks. Now making a cup shape of your palm, press your both the palms down, raise your trunk up, release the tensions from your shoulders, elbows more back towards your trunk. Now from here slowly and gently fold both your arms together, palms together. Closing your eyes. Try to bring your awareness onto your each and every part of your body. Sit in a swastikasana, making your spine straight. Now once again, raise your arms up. Now from here, try to rotate your trunk towards your right side, bringing your left palm onto your right thigh and your right palm behind. Now, making your spine straight, focus your left palm onto your right thigh. Now, focus onto your waist. Try to bring your left side of your waist to the place of your navel. Now, twist it back. Slowly and gently with exhalations. Relax your shoulders down, make your spine straight. Now, focusing onto your chest, roll your chest back towards your right side. Try to bring both your shoulders in one line. Keep on holding, keep on breathing. With exhalations, come back to the center, raising your arms up. Now slowly and gently rotate towards your left side. Bring your right palm onto your left thigh and your left palm behind. Now focus onto your waist once again. Bring your right waist at the place of your navel. So try to twist your trunk, twist it back. Hold, keep on inhaling and exhaling. Slowly and gently twist your chest towards your left side. Now try to rotate your shoulders a little back, bringing both your shoulders back, raise your shoulders closer to you in one line. Exhale and then slowly try to come back to the center. Lower down your both the hands down. Take a long breath, inhale deeply, exhale out completely. Now stretching both the legs out. Stretch your legs out. Now drop your both the feet down, slide your right leg in, your left leg in. Now bringing both your feet more closer to your buttocks, closer to your perineum. Now grab the mount of your foot, अपने दोनों toes को पकड़ते हुए. Now try to push both the knees down. Just try to press it down. Now try to shake them hard, as much as you can shake them hard. Yes, continue. Make your spine straight, lift it high, shaking your both the knees up and down. Now from here, grab your both the toes with the help of your right palm. Now press your left knee down. अपने left knee को press करिए, but don't raise your right knee up. Pressing your right knee also down itself, but try to press your left knee with the help of your left palm. Yes. Go according to your capacity. Don't move your trunk. Just try to press it down. If it is high, just try to press it down. Make your spine straight, but don't bend your trunk when you are pressing your left knee down. Press, raise it up. Press, raise it up. Got it? Now change your palms, grabbing your both the toes with the help of your left palm. Now try to press your right knee down with the help of your right palm. Don't move your trunk in this way. Just try to press it down, raise your trunk up. Push your right knee down as much as you can. Don't forcefully do it. Go according to your capacity. In the same place, try to press your left knee also down itself. Or you can press it down with the help of your elbows, if the elbows are reaching. Relax. Now, once again, grabbing your toes with the help of your right palm, raise your left arm up, rotate your trunk towards your left side and press your left palm behind. Now, pressing your left palm behind, twist your chest towards your left side. Keep on inhaling and exhaling. Feel the twist. Try it in the same place. Try to press your both the knees down. जब आप अपने ट्रंक को रोटेट कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट साइड में, अपने दोनों घुटनों को भी नीचे की तरफ प्रेस करने की कोशिश करिए. With exhalations, come back to the center. Grab your both the toes with the help of your right palm, left palm. Raising your right arm up. Rotate your trunk towards your left side. and right side, sorry, try to rotate your trunk back. Twist it back, pushing your both the knees down. Keep on inhaling and exhaling, try to hold. And then slowly try to come back to the center, lower down your both the hands down. Now from here, stretch your both the legs little out. जितना आप stretch कर सकते हैं, bringing at least 1 foot ho, keep the gap between your heels and your buttocks. And raise your chest up, raise your arms up, and then slowly and gently extend your trunk, stretch it down wherever you are able to go down. Press your palms in front of you, or either you can grab your both the toes, whatever you feel comfortable. Your elbow should be out of your shin bone, and then slowly and gently bring your head down. जहाँ तक भी आप जा पा रहे हैं, try to hold. Just try to hold wherever you are able to reach. Already we have done this asana, but once again I will just tell you how to do. We'll rotate our arms back, stretching up both the palms behind. We'll try to interlock our both the palms down. ठीक है? यहाँ से आप अपने दोनों palms को नीचे की तरफ stretch करते हुए, then we'll try to raise them up as much as you can. Now, focus when I'm raising my both the palms up. I'm not pushing my shoulders down. I'm not pushing my chest forward. So just try to make your spine straight. Lift up your arms up. Now, in many cases, you won't be able to interlock your fingers. So what you can do, take the strap and try to grab it in this way. More closer. जितना आप कोशिश कर सकते हैं. Bring it back, grab it. Now roll your shoulders back, press your both the palms down. Now pull your both the palms outward, but don't release it. Grab it tightly and try to stretch your both the palms outward. Now from here, roll your shoulders and then try to lift it high, pull it up. Now from holding for a while, I'll just guide you at the moment. Now try to bring your chest down, extend. Don't roll it back. You have to push it forward, stretch it forward. You can bring something below your head and then slowly try to raise it up. Okay, when we want to come back, release and then slowly try to go down. You can take a cushion below your forehead if your head doesn't reach down, or thoda bolsters ले सकते हैं if your head doesn't reach down in this way also. Okay, so let's start. Shoulders back, interlock your fingers, stretch your arms down. Now from here, raise your chest up. That's good. Continue. Start everyone. I've already demonstrated you this one. This asana only. You can take the strap if you want a strap. Otherwise, stretch your arms. Raise your arms up. Bend your right arm behind. Rotate your left hand and try to grab your both the palms. Or you can take the strap. Yes, try to start. Bringing your right arm behind. Rotate your left hand back and then slowly try to grab it. I'll just show you on the back of my side. Okay, just lift up your right arm up, bring it down, then rotate your left hand and then slowly walk them up towards each other, grabbing your palms and try to stretch it back. Or you can take the strap and then slowly try to walk up towards each other. Now, change your hands, raising your arms up, bend your left arm, rotate your right hand back and try to grab it with both of them. Yes, both your feet together, rolling your shoulders back, both your hands by the side. This is Samastita Tadasana. You have to make your spine straight, stretch it out. Now from here, either you can stretch your legs little out or you can just bring them closer according to your capacity. जैसा भी आपको लगता है, you can keep a gap or you can just bring them closer. If you feel you are wobbling, you can just take your legs out. Now from here, stretch your arms in front of you. I'll just do one thing. Yeah, you will be able to see me more clearly. Yes. Now stretch your arms in front of you. Inhale, raise it up. With inhalations, raise it up. Now stretch it up. Yes. Now from here, slowly and gently raise your heels up. I'll show you sideways. Slowly and gently try to raise your heels up. Lift it high, pull it up. Yes, your arms should be straight. Raising your arms, inhale, raise your arms up. Again Again, try to bring both your palms closer to each other. Now cross your thumb, lift it high. Now from here, extend your right side and try to pull your arms over your head towards your left side. Stretch it down. Yes. Now you can see your trunk should be in one line. Don't try to push it forward. Don't try to push too much back. It should be in one line with your legs. Pull it down, stretch it down. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale onto your left side. So your right side. Yes, continue. Extending your trunk and then slowly and gently try to bring your both the palms by the side of your feet. Now from here, extend and then slowly drop your head down. Push your trunk forward and try to bring it down. And then when you want to come back, look front, place your palms in front of you, hands onto your waist and then slowly try to come back. Okay? Raising your arms up, extend and try to press your both the palms onto the seat of the chair. Now from here, instead of going down, holding your leg at the same position, just stretch your both the palms and slowly. And try to bring your chest down. You can just walk your palms forward and try to bring your chest down. These two asanas. Okay? So coming onto the center of your mat, facing towards the mat, screen. Bring both your palms to the center of your chest. Start doing, we have already done it, no need to describe this asana. Bend your knees, jump out, or you can just split your legs out. Stretch your arms out. Down. Stretching your both the palms parallel to your shoulders. Bring your right foot to the 90-degree angle. And your left leg to the 60 or 70-degree angle. Start. Vijay sir, try to start. Yes. Genius, stretch your legs little out. Neetu, don't push your buttocks forward. Take your spine straight. Raise your chest up. Now from here, bend your right knee. Jitna bhi ho raha hai. But don't push your buttocks forward. Just bend it down. Now stretch your left leg back. अपने left leg को पीछे stretch करिए. Stretch your left leg back. Stretch your left leg back, holding your trunk. Push your pelvis little more down. Very good. Try to hold. Now, Ashmita ma'am, अपने लेफ्ट हैंड को थोड़ा पीछे की तरफ पुल करिए. आपका ट्रंक अभी ऐसा हो रहा है. Try to pull it back. Now rotate your head and try to look towards your right palm. Hold. Yes, wait down. Take a long breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale out completely. Okay, now once again stretch your arms out. Now bring your left foot to the 90-degree angle. Right leg to the 60 or 70-degree angle. Square your hips. जब आप नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे, अपने ट्रंक को आगे नहीं पुश करना है. Just bend your knee and try to push your pelvis down. Push your pelvis down. Stretch it out. Yes. Roll your thighs back. Your left thighs back. Stretching your both the palms out. Stretch your left leg a little more out. Now rotate your head. Try to look towards your left palm. Yes. Try to look across the seat in this way. Now press your feet down and try to bring your thighs onto the seat in this way. Then आपका पीछे वाला जो leg है, you can grab it, square your buttock, stretch it back. ये आपका क्या है? Number 1, वीरभद्रासन number 1. You can practice this. Hold, hold, hold. Stretch your leg back. ये पीछे वाला leg stretch नहीं हो पाएगा, so इसको कोशिश करना है कि सीधे करने की and pushing your pelvis down and try to raise it up. Now from here you can lift it high, pull it up. ठीक है? Number 1. So number 2 के लिए क्या करना है? You can just put your legs sideways इस तरह से and then slowly try to bring your thighs onto the top of the chair in this way. Square your pelvis, stretch your left leg back and then slowly stretch your arms out. You can practice this. इससे थोड़ी सी muscles open होगी. Though we have done a lot of muscles opening in the morning, but then also you can practice this asana at your home. ठीक है? So take the cushion and try to अपने mat को place करिए और mat के end में बैठने की कोशिश करिए. At the back of this mat. Yes. अगर आपके पास दीवार है तो आप दीवार का भी सहारा ले सकते हैं. अगर नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं. Yes. Try to sit. Stretch your both the legs up. Now we have already done Janu Shri Shasana. सो आज हम करेंगे पार्श्वभुजानु शीर्षासन। सो मैं एक बार गाइड करती हूँ कैसे करना है। आप अपने राइट लेग को ड्रॉप, लेफ्ट लेग को ड्रॉप करेंगे, स्लाइड इट इन एंड स्ट्रेच योर राइट लेग आउट। अब गैप आ जाएगा आपके थाइज और फीट के बीच में, आप इसको स्ट्रेच करते हुए ब्रिंग इट बैक। नाउ आपने अपने लेफ्ट पाम को आगे की तरफ प्रेस करना है, राइट पाम को पीछे की तरफ प्रेस करना है। अपने लेग को उसी जगह पे होल्ड करते हुए ट्विस्ट योर टंग बैक, twist your tongue back towards your right leg. Now from here, try to grab your right foot. का जो mount of the foot है left palm से outer side को and try to rotate your trunk little more back. Then slowly grab your left with the help of your right palm onto the outer side of your right foot and then raising your elbows up, stretching it down. Try to bring your foot. ठीक है? Number 1. Number 2 है we'll try to do परिवर्तिता जानु शीर्षासन और उपावस्था कोणासन। Now what we will do, अभी तक हम अपने right leg की तरफ रोटेट कर रहे थे। Now we'll do on the opposite side. We'll press up both the palms outside our left thighs and then rotate our trunk back, twisting towards our left side. Now from here, holding our trunk at the same position, we'll raise our right arm up and then slowly and gently try to go along with our right leg, grab the mount of our foot. Once again we'll open our chest and then slowly stretch our left arm up and try to grab it down. Got it everyone? तो कोई भी bolster लेके या cushion लेकर के keep the bolsters against the wall, लेकिन आप इतना गैप रखें कि आपका एक 4 इंच का ब्लॉक इसके बीच में आ जाए। ठीक है, इतना गैप जरूर होना चाहिए, इतना चौड़ा गैप एटलीस्ट। नाउ ट्राई टू सिट ऑन योर राइट साइड इन दिस वे। आपका एक बटक्स जो है वो अंदर सिंक कर रहा है। नाउ फेस टुवर्ड्स द वॉल, प्रेस योर बोथ द पाम्स बिहाइंड, रोटेट योर लेग्स एंड ट्राई टू स्ट्रेच योर बोथ द लेग्स अप। Straighten your both the legs, push your buttocks more closer to the wall and then slowly lie down onto your back. Stretch your arms out. ठीक है? You will see that your abdomen is hollow, your chest is raising up and your shoulders are coming down. ठीक? When you want to come back, rotate and then slowly to go. Quickly start. और जिनके पास wall नहीं है, bed है साइड में, क्या chair है, what they can do? They can just lie down, place your both the calves onto the top of the chair, grabbing your chair legs, lie down, stretch your legs. ठीक है? Whatever feel comfortable.